Hey y'all, I'm Diamond Painting Cajun. Everybody calls me Cajun or Debbie. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. So, I have a PR package unbagging for y'all from DP Clubs. And if you are interested in these products, please check the description portion of this video and it will be linked down below. So I haven't filmed in a little bit, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what I got. I'm not an affiliate for them by any means, but if you like these products, just go. I'm gonna link everything, like I said, in the description portion of this video, and y'all can go and click on it, and it'll take you to it if they have any left. So let's get to it. Y'all, I just really do like the background. Just saying. This one, oops, doggone it. Sorry. This one was $6.79 on their website, and it is a round drill. It comes with a toolkit, everything you need to get started diamond painting. It is a round drill, like I said. It has 22 colors, and this is what it looks like. I thought it was pretty. I like all the colors. I liked it, so I just went for it. I thought it was pretty. It's a round drill. Y'all can see the drill field is clear on it. Yeah. So, and then this is the thumbnail. Look how pretty it is. I'm hoping that when it is done, if ever I can get to it, I think it'll be okay. It's kind of pixelated when you look at it up close, but it's not too bad. It's not really too bad. Just, you can see some areas like this right here. I think it's because it has a lot of colors in it. I'm not sure, but yeah. It is a 30 by 40 centimeter, and it is a round drill. And let's check the stickiness on it. It have a legend on the top left. It does have 22 colors. Those are the colors. And the stickiness, I'm pretty sure the stickiness is good because usually they're good. Yeah, stickiness is good. And now we're gonna look at the drills for it. These are the colors. A lot of blues. You could see on this side a lot of blues. Light blue here, a different color blue here. Light blues, dark blues, royal blues, navy blues. Different sorts of colors, blues. They have mauves, browns, chocolates. I don't see, I'll show y'all these. They have beige, yellow, greens. So it does have a variety of colors in this diamond painting. I think once it's finished, I think it'll look good. But like I said, it's kind of pixelated if you look at it up close, but from far you can't really tell. It's mostly where these bunches of colors are. But it is a pretty diamond painting. I really like it. It's cute. So that's one of them, and I'll have it linked below. This one was $4.99, and it is also a 30 by 40 centimeter round drill. Lord, if I can get it out the package. And like I said, every diamond painting comes with a diamond painting kit. It comes with a boat, a plate of wax, and a pen. It has a one placer on it. Y'all know the drill. This one has, this is a 30 by 40 centimeter. It has 22 colors and it's so cute. I like the colors in it. It's so cute. Thumbnail. It has a legend on the top left and bottom right. And these are the colors. It is a round drill. The drill field is clear. This one really does have a good drill field, and it's not pixelated as much as the other one. This one's gonna be cute. Let's check the stickiness. I'm pretty sure it's good though. Stickiness is good. And these are the drill colors. These drills right here, both of them, like it came in, they didn't come in resealable packages, the drills. They just came in plastic, just regular baggies. Not baggies, just little, you know, not I can't spit out what I want to say. Not in Ziploc bags. But these are some of the colors. I hate that I can't see y'all when I'm trying to film. I'm trying to show y'all the colors and the diamond painting. A lot of blues, of course, because you do see a lot of blues in the diamond painting. Different shades of blue. Really cute. Really pretty colors. And like I said, this will also be linked in the description portion of the video. Really cute. And I have one more for y'all. This one also is a round drill. Like I said, they all come with a basic toolkit. Everything you need to diamond paint. So this one is a 40 by 30 centimeter. This one also has 22 colors. And I really like this one's cute too. It's a beachside scene with a light. I think this is a lighthouse right here. Right here. But the drill field is clear on this one. Oh, Lord, I'm gonna fall. The drill field is clear on this one as well. No, I almost fell. Hit my table. Look how pretty it is. It's really cute. It reminds me of just like, yeah, you chilling right here. I want to see the blanket, sit in this chair, read, listen to the ocean, peacefulness, quietness. Y'all know I had to throw reading in there somewhere. But the drill field is clear. They have a lot of pretty colors. This is the thumbnail for it. So cute. I really like it. These are some of the colors. These are all of the colors. 22. They all have the DMC codes on the side. Yeah. Pretty. I love the, look at the butterfly and the flowers. So cute. Look at the bird. I love this scene, y'all. This is really cute. I love it. Like I said, the drill field is clear. So I'm really liking it. And that is the third one. And the drills for it. Sorry, y'all. These are the drills. The colors of the drills. They have grays, light grays, blues, light blues, like peach, rose colors. This is kind of like a purple. Purple. And they don't come in, this again don't come in Ziploc baggies. So, I don't know. I like the ones that come in Ziploc baggies, y'all, because they're easier to work with. You don't have to kit them up in a kit if you don't want to. I mean, you still don't have to, but it's kind of hard to keep up with them and stuff if you don't kit these up. But everybody does it different. I just like to kit them up. So again, I'm going to show y'all all three. This is the last one. Really cute. This is the second one. Love the colors in these, in this one. I don't know how to, like that. Really cute. Love that. And then the first one. Ugh. There you go. Y'all, I would love to visit this place. I think it's Greece. Well, it looks like it. Might not be. Might be somewhere else. I don't know. Really cute, though. Really cute. So, like I said, thank you to DP Clubs for sending me these items to show on my channel. And if you would like to purchase any one of these items, they will be linked in the description portion of this video. Please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button, as this helps my channel. And I guess I'll catch y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.